I just sent a text message, and an AI hacked a server for me. No terminal, no typing commands, no Kali knowledge needed, just a text. But here's the thing that makes this different from every other tutorial. It's not one AI. It's two, working together. One thinks, one executes, and the whole thing costs $5 a month. Let me show you how to build this. Here's what we're building in plain English. Layer 1. Kali Linux. This is a hacking operating system with hundreds of tools pre-installed. nmap, sqlmap, hydra, nikto. All the weapons. We run it in a virtual machine so your real computer stays completely safe. Layer 2. Agent 0. This is an AI agent that lives inside Kali. It can execute terminal commands, write custom scripts, and use every hacking tool on the system. Think of it as the hands. Layer 3. OpenClaw. This is the gateway. It connects to Telegram, receives your messages, and routes them to Agent 0. It also has its own brain for web searches and coordination. Think of it as the manager. So, when you text "scan this target" on Telegram, OpenClaw receives it, decides what to do, hands it to Agent 0. Agent 0 fires up nmap, runs the scan, collects results, and sends them back through Telegram to your phone. 2 AIs. 1 text message. Full penetration test. And here's the kicker. The only thing that costs money is the AI brain. DeepSeek. $5 gets you millions of tokens. That's hundreds of hacking sessions. Everything else. Kali, Agent 0, OpenClaw, Telegram. All free and open source shopping list. And I promise this is simpler than it looks. A computer. Windows, Mac or Linux. Doesn't matter. VirtualBox. Free. This runs our virtual machine. Kali Linux. Free. Pre-built image, 1 download. Docker. Free. Runs Agent 0 in a container inside Kali. Agent 0. Free. Open source AI agent framework. OpenClaw. Free. Open source AI gateway. A Telegram account. Free. A DeepSeek API key. This is where the $5 comes in. DeepSeek V3 is one of the best AI models in the world and it costs almost nothing. We're talking fractions of a penny per command. That's it. Let's build. Step 1. Download VirtualBox and the Kali Linux image. I'll put links in the description. Import it, give it 4 gigs of RAM, and boot it up. You're now inside Kali Linux. A full hacking operating system running safely inside your computer. Step 2. Docker should already be installed on Kali. Now we pull Agent 0. 1 Docker run command and it's live on port 50080. Open a browser, go there, and you'll see the web interface. But we need to give it a brain. Go to Settings. Change the model provider to DeepSeek. Paste your API key. Model name, DeepSeek-chat. Context length, 64,000. Save. Now here's the important part. Agent 0 uses something called a profile. We're going to select the hacker profile. This tells the AI it's a penetration tester. It can run terminal commands. It can use Kali tools. It will never refuse a security task, because that's literally its job. Quick test. We type run who am I? And it comes back, root. We're root. The AI has full control of the Kali container. Let's connect it to Telegram. Now for the magic layer. OpenClaw. Install node.js, then install OpenClaw globally with npm. The onboard wizard walks you through everything. When it asks for a model, pick DeepSeek. Paste the same API key. When it asks about channels, enable Telegram. For Telegram, you need a bot. Open Telegram, search for botfather, send /new bot, give it a name. Botfather gives you a token. Paste that into OpenClaw. Now the critical piece. The bridge between OpenClaw and Agent 0. We need to create a skill. A skill tells OpenClaw, when the user asks for this kind of thing, use this tool. Our skill says, for any hacking task, security scan, OSINT lookup, or code execution, send it to Agent 0. The bridge is a simple bash script. It takes the user's message, sends it to Agent 0's API, waits for the response, and returns it. Start the gateway. And now, we text the bot. Hey, are you alive? And it responds. I'm online and ready. I have access to a full Kali Linux environment with penetration testing tools. What would you like me to do? We're live. Let's do some damage. Let's start simple. I'm going to text my bot a target. GAN 10.0.2.15 with nmap. Find all open ports and services. And look at that. Port 22 SSH. Port 80 HTTP running Apache. Port 3306 MySQL. All from a text message. But watch this. I'm going to ask it to go deeper. Run nicto on port 80 and Gobuster with a common word list. It found an admin panel, a PHP info page, and several interesting directories. All automated. All from my phone while I was making coffee. Now here's where it gets really interesting. We installed over 50 OSINT tools and a custom reconnaissance script. Watch this. Run a deep OSINT recon on the target domain. Emails, subdomains, DNS records, technology stack. All from one message. But we can also do people. We built a 10-phase person reconnaissance script that uses Sherlock, Hole, Spiderfoot, the Harvester, Whois, and more. 10 phases. Username enumeration across 300 social networks. Email registration checks. Domain ownership. Document metadata extraction. Full identity correlation. All automated. This is the power of having two AIs working together with 50 tools at their disposal. Let's go full attack chain. I have a vulnerable test target set up. DVWA, the damn vulnerable web application. This is a legal practice target designed for testing. I'm going to give my AI buddy one simple instruction. Full pentest on the DVWA target. Find vulnerabilities, attempt exploitation, give me a report. Watch. It's scanning. Found the login page. Trying default credentials. It's in. Now it's running sqlmap against the vulnerable parameters. And there it is. Full database dump. Usernames, hashed passwords, the works. All from one text message to my phone. The AI figured out the attack chain by itself. It used nmap for recon, Gobuster to find pages, default creds to get in, and sqlmap to exploit the SQL injection. That's 4 tools, 0 manual commands. One more thing. We also loaded a full OPSEC toolkit. Tor, proxychains, MAC address spoofing, VPN tools, metadata removal, secure deletion. You can tell your AI buddy to route traffic through Tor. And it handles the entire operational security setup for you. Start Tor, configure proxychains, route the scan through the Onion network. All automated. This isn't just a scanner. It's a complete red team operator in your pocket. Let's talk money. Because this is the part that blows people's minds. Professional penetration testing tools? Hundreds to thousands per year. Burp Suite Pro's $449. Cobalt Strike? Don't even ask. Cloud AI APIs like GPT-4. $20 a month minimum, and it won't even run hacking commands for you. Our setup. Kali Linux, free. VirtualBox, free. Docker, free. Agent Zero, free. OpenClaw, free. Telegram, free. 50+ hacking and OSINT tools, free. DeepSeek API, $5 gets you millions of tokens. That's hundreds of penetration tests. Hundreds of OSINT investigations. Hundreds of scans. For less than a cup of coffee per month. $5 Hacker Buddy. That's what this is. This is episode 1. We set up the system and showed you what it can do. In episode 2, I'm going to teach this AI to write its OWN hacking tools. Custom Python scripts generated on the fly for specific targets. Agent Zero can do that. Episode 3, we're going full red team. Setting up a practice network and letting the AI loose to find every vulnerability, chain exploits, and write a professional penetration test report. If you want to see that, smash that subscribe button. And drop a comment telling me what you want the AI to hack next. All the setup instructions, links, and the complete blueprint are in the description below. I'll see you in the next one. Go build your Hacker Buddy.